March has seen a massive price drop in silver. This is 2026 and we have seen this now drop to £53 per ounce. This is not the spot price for this type of Krugerrand, but it has reduced the price overall for silver. Gold itself has come from £4,000 per ounce all the way down to 3,400 today. There's been major drops since the crisis in the Middle East. So you're seeing your values drop. What does that mean for anyone that is buying silver and gold today? This gorgeous, beautiful stuff, I would highly advise you that when things are bad and prices drop, that is the time to buy. This is not the time to panic. This is not the time to worry. However, copper has seen a massive rise. Even though the price has gone down, copper has been the strongest in the gram per the ounce. Copper is and will be the next silver. I keep talking about it so much. I keep talking about these gorgeous bars of copper. These will one day be 3 times their intrinsic value as they are today in March of 2026. Silver, very volatile, but a beautiful game to be in. I love silver. That is a gorgeous Krugerrand. What about this beautiful Britannia? This is a gorgeous Britannia Liberty, 10 ounce. I bought it for a lot more than its value today. However, if I sit on this, eventually I'll get my money back. The idea is to sit secure. This is not a 1 month return. None of this is. None of these investments are any good for 1 month returners. You will never get your money back within 1 month of purchasing this stock. As far as I'm concerned, these beautiful grams, look at that beautiful Geiger. The Bentley of silver. That's the way I call it, or the Bentley of precious metals. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. One day I will be a distributor to sell them in Ireland. Goldbacks, fractional reserves or fractional gold. That's a 50 goldback. It has dropped in value, and guess what I intend to do? Buy more now while the prices are low. It will be due a rebound. Everyone says it may not, and maybe I should agree with them. But I know when there's storms are coming. To me, I believe that when precious metals go down, it's like the tsunami. The water comes away from the beach, but ends up flooding. And that's what I believe will happen. This gold will go back to its value or go to 5,000 an ounce. Silver, it will rise above £100 an ounce again. It will happen. These are always something people talk about, and I want to talk about that while I'm here. Is it spot price a Krugerrand? No, it is not. You buy that spot price plus a minting value of approximately 20 to 25%, depending on the merchant, what you buy that for. People tend to always think that because the spot price is down, that these should be the same as a spot price. This has been minted. This has been put through a process. This has been coined this way for you to be able to buy a fraction of a bar. If you want a bar, you buy them in kilos or you buy them in tons. That ultimately is not what you get here. So you pay the extra privilege of having a beautiful coin that makes you look at it and go, wow, look what I've got. These are the bars here, not these little things, but much bigger than these ones. These are 1 kilos. And that's the sort of thing that you can get cheaper if you buy more off. Not these ones, but a lot bigger than these ones. Like these 10 ounce stackers. These are the ones here. When you get these and you buy, a couple of hundred of these, you get them for cheap. Or cheaper. Sometimes, depends on the merchant, how much you get them for. That can be melted down and put into some beautiful 1 ounces. Anyway, all of this is not a concern. I'm not talking about these lovely little pamps, 1 grams. I'm not talking about these. I'm not talking about the fractional 50s or look at this gorgeous piece of lump. A 100, which is simply gorgeous. I will show you close up on this. This is a 1/10 troy ounce of gold. It comes from America. I am the distributor for Ireland for these beautiful goldbacks. They're beautiful, stunning pieces of work. It's quite heavy for gold. But I'm not talking about this, and I'm certainly not talking about this. I want to keep going on about the idea of buying copper. Buy it now, buy it cheap, buy it loads. One day, this will be 3 times its value. I would highly advise you to buy this. This stuff is your future. Not here, nor here. This is it. The more you have today, the more value it will hold tomorrow. The bigger your purchases, the bigger the return. Remember that. It's so cheap right now per ounce. Something like £5 to £8 an ounce. Really worth its value today. I can see this. We're going down by about 1% of supply versus demand. The supply is higher by 1% every week. Every week, week in, week out. One day, someone has to buy it for a higher price. That's why I'm buying the big 4 kilo bars now. If there's any advisement on buying precious metals, if you've got the money, buy it. Especially the Brits. Well, only the Brits. You can get this tax-free. There's a beautiful 2 ounce. That can be sold with no tax on it. You pay the tax at the start. You don't have to continue paying the tax at the end.